So this is another similar problem, just change is that कि यहाँ पे we have 4 unknowns and only 2 equations, 2 constraints are there and 4 variables are there, right? So what we need to do here, we need to put 4 minus 2 variables equal to 0, राइट तो जितना भी हमारे पास वेरिएबल्स दिया हुआ है स्लैक प्लस डिसीजन मिला के उसमें से हम नंबर ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं तो ये जो वेरिएबल्स रहेंगे इतना हमारा बेसिक वेरिएबल्स रहेगा, राइट? तो सॉरी वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस मैनी वेरिएबल्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0 टू गेट बेसिक वेरिएबल्स एंड नंबर ऑफ बेसिक सोल्यूशंस हमें इस फॉर्मूले से मिल जाएंगे कॉम्बिनेशन के. So what we have m plus n cm, that means we are choosing m out of m plus n, right? So 4, here are m plus n is 4 and m is 2, right? So 4c2, out of 4 we are choosing 2. So how many possibilities are there? 6 possibilities are there, correct? So 6 basic solutions we will have. यहाँ पे what is the change जो हमने earlier problem में देखा था, it is quite similar like that. Just what we need to do here, the first basic solution, I'll explain you what we are doing here. We are assuming any of the 2 variables. We have total 4 variables, right? So we are assuming any of the 2 variables is equals to 0. That means those will be our non-basic variables. So x3 is equals to 0 and x4 is equals to 0. We are assuming x3 and x4 to be 0. So these will be our non-basic solutions. तो basic solutions जो बचे हुए हैं वो रहेंगे. x1 and x2 will be our basic solutions. So if we will put x3 and x4 0 in these 2 equations, what we will have? 2x1 plus 6x2 is equals to 3, right? And 6x1 plus 4x2 is equals to 2, correct? From this second equation. 6x1 plus 4x2 is equals to 2. After solving these two values, these 2 equations, what we are getting? We are getting x1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to half. Now we can easily see ये feasible है कि नहीं है. Feasible के लिए क्या condition है? Non-negativity. So both are non-negative. It is feasible. Degenerate है या नहीं है? Degenerate के लिए क्या condition है? At least one should be 0. So 1 is 0, so it is degenerate also, right? Like similarly, we will solve all other 6 solutions, right? All other 5 solutions, sorry. So second, when we are putting x2 0, x4 0, so x2 is now outgoing and x4 is, sorry, x2 is outgoing and x3 is incoming, right? तो हमने reduce किया, we are getting these solutions, feasible base and degenerate we can check, right? So this is how we can find second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth solution. So we are getting 6 solutions out of which 3 are feasible and 3 are not feasible. And 1, 2, 3 are degenerate and 3 are non-degenerate. Okay. So बाकी solving procedure is same as the first one. Just changes. Here we have 2 non-basic variables. Okay.